Greetings, friends. What are you learning today that will help you better serve God? Okay, well, I'm out here in Yucaipa at the park, Wildwood Park, and I want to show you what I just noticed as I was driving down the road. An oak tree uprooted because of the powerful wind gust today. Now, it would take a pretty powerful wind to rip that out, don't you think? Although, I'm told that oak trees are pretty, let's get a close-up on that. Oak trees are pretty shallow-rooted. Nevertheless, can you imagine? This is at a park now where children play in that. I hope nobody was hurt. That would have killed somebody if they were right under that thing when it got ripped out. If they didn't see it, would have landed right on them, crushed them, okay? So, I'm just going to circle this right here so you can see it. I was thinking the winds had to be at least 50 to 70 miles per hour, and another gentleman just showed up here, a small business owner, and he said at least 50 or 60. So, and you check the weather reports, they're not going to tell you it was that powerful, but I've been in winds that were 20 to 25. This was much more powerful than that. I don't know. It's hard to say. With the geoengineering taking place and everything, the root systems are getting destroyed, I understand. I'm not a scientist, but look at this thing. Well, maybe somebody will get some good firewood out of it, but a lot of oak trees at this park. You just got to be careful, man. I was telling people, watch your overhead. Watch your head when you're walking, you know, because there's leaves blowing everywhere, tree branches falling off. But you never know when a big one snaps off. And I saw them laying on the ground everywhere where I was driving. I took my daughter to school today. All right, well, I'm going to make this pretty brief. But anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know how the weather, if the weather seems pretty strange where you are. This happened up in Victor Valley too today. It was very windy up there. And now let me show you the clouds that are coming in. We might get a torrent of rain later. It's pretty dark earlier. I don't know if it's going to rain or if the clouds are going to blow out of the way. It's partially cloudy, but up in the mountains there, it's cloudier than like over where I'm shooting the camera right now. All right, well, you take care. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, please, and hit the bell. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.